So, we're going to try this new GoPro out. Well, I say we're going to try. I'm not giving any promises, mind you, but we're going to try. Don't even know if you'll sit there. So, we're driving to a job site where we've got to sort out some, a couple of fence rails. So, we'll, once we get that sorted, we will then head up and, well, go from there, really. Nice beautiful day, can't complain. Well, could complain, but we can't. But not bad for winter. Wondering if I should have got a drink or not. So we will we'll head up there afterwards, and then we'll do the job afterwards. So next clip will be when we're up there. So here we go. So you guys are now with me on a job, strapped to my head actually, to be precise, which is a bit weird, you know. Feel like a bit like a robot, but there you go. So we'll go to a job, and then once we've gone there, we will then head to maybe the house and see if we can edit this video and do a little test run. Might even try a time lapse on doing one of the fence rails just as a bit of fun, but we'll see how it goes. That's the load all there I'm meant to be picking up, but sort of not happening straight away. And just to let you know, I have actually got the diff in the middle row there that come out the Rover, so we'll be able to get things sorted. But at the moment, let's get this fence up. So we got that fence there to do and a few other fences to do. So enough to keep us busy, that's for definite. You can always guarantee whatever we take, it's never going to be enough, is it? So, right. So, I think what I'll do is we will go and have a look on the first job and see what happens. Sadly, I might have to wear this. So, I hope you can still hear me, but I don't know if you can see in the camera. I've got my mask on. So. And plus, I don't know what this video is going to be like because I can't get it to set up to my phone to have a look at thing, but I've got a tripod too to take with me. And there's the new part for the tractor. Well, the original part for the tractor, and see splines here that are sort of worn out. So we'll have to see what sort of comes out of it, really. But we'll find out. But at the moment, what we're after is a drill. So this Rover hasn't been sorted since it's come from the garage, because I only picked it up a short time ago. They're going to be too short. They're going to be too short. '60s. They might even be too short. They're definitely going to be too short. There will do. '70s. I would use the impact, but I actually never it is. Should be a bit here somewhere. There we go. No point taking that battery. smoking. Could be an interesting sort of video. A bit muddy. Suppose it is winter, so it's all expected. So, as idiots do, these take the square things. So we planted this with seed, and sadly they didn't want it covered with Taram, which normally we cover it with Taram to sort of cover it up, but as you can see there is seed still here, but doesn't really seem to be doing too much. But hey ho, we just do what we're paid to do, really. Customers are always right, that's what you got to remember. So yeah, let's set you up on the tripod and let's fix the fence. Well, thanks. So here we go, got you on the time. Thingy bobbity. I think what we'll do is we'll put you on time lapse. How's that sound? Yeah.